How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I realize this looks a little bit odd coming at you from nighttime here in Dubai, but there's some massive news happening in the crypto market. We have FTX possibly, most likely, being bought out by Binance, but there's some 3D chess being played right now. I want to talk about what tokens you need to be careful of and what cryptos to be careful of. And if you invest in cryptocurrency or if you're invested through FTX, you really should pay attention. So if you don't mind hitting the subscribe button underneath the video, that way you can see future videos. I don't care if I posted a video already today. I just want to bring to you time-sensitive information. Hit the subscribe button underneath the video. There's also a link down there to BitGet where you can get up to over $4,000 worth of sign-up bonuses, and a link down there to moomoo in case you want to try out an investing platform for stocks. If you're in Australia or the US, definitely use that link underneath the video to get some free money. Now, CZ just announced that FTX may be being purchased by Binance. So you can see this afternoon, FTX asked for our help. There's a significant liquidity crunch to protect users. We have signed a non-binding LOI intending to fully acquire FTX.com and help cover the liquidity crunch. We will be conducting a full DD in the coming days. You can see FTX token down 44% in the last hour. You have to be careful of this because if they are acquired by Binance, FTX token, FTT, I don't see a huge use case for it in the future. A lot of other cryptocurrencies also falling down. As you can see here, Bitcoin under 19,000, Ethereum under 1,400, and a lot of other tokens down about 8 to 12% over the last hour. Solana down near $24. I mean, look at that, 26% down in the last 6 days. Now, what did FTX say to this? Was it just, fake news? No. Sam Bankman-Fried says, "Hey all, I have a few announcements to make. Things have come full circle, and FTX.com's first and last investors are the same. We have come to an agreement on a strategic transaction with Binance for FTX.com, pending, obviously, DD. Our teams are working on clearing out the withdrawal backlog as is. There will need to be, this will clear liquidity crunches. All assets will be covered one-to-one. This is one of the main reasons we've asked Binance to come in. It may take a bit to settle. We apologize for that. But the important thing are the customers being protected. A huge thank you to CZ, Binance, and all of our supporters. This is a user-centric development and has benefits that benefits the entire industry." And they talk about how CZ is continuing to build. Now, there were some questions over whether FTX was going to be able to cover all the transactions, all the withdrawals, because apparently they had been delaying them a bit, and they've gotten $6 billion of net withdrawals in the last 3 days. This is what Sam Bankman-Fried supposedly told his staff. Now, some analysts don't think that CZ or Binance are actually going to acquire FTX. They say, what if this was basically 3D chess and CZ just wanted Sam Bankman-Fried to admit FTX was insolvent and then he backs out of the deal? Now, this analyst, Dylan LeClaire, says that there's only a 10% chance that CZ follows through on the deal, even out if he was sitting on $10 billion liquid. You couldn't pay him to acquire this dumpster fire. So it's going to be interesting to see if this actually goes through. Is CZ actually willing to buy this exchange when it seems like they're insolvent, when they're going to have to pay extra money? Now, I personally think it would make sense to acquire them if they can get some kind of discount because they will get millions of users. But the question is, do they have to? Can they just let them fail and then acquire a lot of their users anyways? Now, of course, when any kind of big exchange goes down, it does hurt the overall cryptocurrency market, and it would cause Binance to be hurt significantly as well. So I personally think there's a much higher chance than 10% that they're going to go through with the acquisition, but we will have to see over the coming probably couple weeks. So if you have money on FTX, try to take it out. Not financial advice, but that's why I said in my video the last 2 days, and I have withdrawn all my crypto from FTX. Be careful out there. Try to self-custody if you can. If you can't, probably the best exchange to hold cryptocurrency on is Binance. But of course, I think that for the most part, you should hold onto your own crypto. And I still talk about other exchanges like BitGet, but that's for trading. That's for short-term moves. That's for leverage trading. It's not to hold all your crypto on over the long term. So again, if you want those links to BitGet and to moomoo underneath the video, definitely check it out. I will continue to update you. Looks like the overall stock market is actually having a pretty good day today, with the NASDAQ up about 1%, but crypto is falling down, so it's going to be a really interesting time. If you want to see my video from earlier today, hit the link on the end screen, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.